They told you financial literacy means budgeting, saving, and knowing how credit works. But what if I told you that's not financial literacy at all? Most people believe financial literacy is just about knowing basic money terms, using budgeting apps, or watching a few finance videos on YouTube. You might have even heard teachers, influencers, or even your bank say that if you know how to save money or avoid debt, you're financially literate. Here's the problem. Knowing something about money isn't the same as being financially literate. If that were true, then why are so many people who know what to do still broke, still living paycheck to paycheck, still drowning in credit card debt? Because real financial literacy isn't about memorizing terms. It's about understanding how money affects your decisions, your emotions, and your future. If this is already shifting how you think about money, make sure you subscribe to Money Always. I drop simple, no BS videos every week to help you build financial freedom the smart way. Hit that button so you never miss a truth bomb like this. Real financial literacy is about money behavior, how you think, feel, and act with money. It's not just knowing how to budget, it's why you avoid budgeting in the first place. It's not just knowing credit scores, it's understanding how debt can trap you for decades if you're not careful. Financial literacy is a life skill, just like learning to communicate or take care of your health. Studies show that nearly 70% of people say they're confident about money, yet over half can't afford a $1,000 emergency. Think about that. Confidence without competence, that's not literacy, that's illusion. Financial literacy isn't knowledge, it's applied behavior. The goal isn't just understanding money, it's using it to build freedom. Learn how to think long-term, control emotional spending, and build assets. Track your money, yes, but more importantly, track your habits. You don't need to be a finance expert to be financially literate. You just need to master your money mindset and daily choices. Because once you do, money stops being your enemy and starts becoming your most powerful tool. If you're ready to take back control of your money and your life, hit that subscribe button and join me here at Money Always. I'm here to help you learn the skills that school never taught and finally live life on your terms. Thanks for watching to the very end. Here is your reward. Click the first link in the description below to get free bonus, Broke to Boss. This free ebook provides very useful steps to start your financial journey easily without wasting time on unnecessary mistakes. Check out more financial freedom video on my full channel. See you soon.